that he can miss him. Don't have to think about it. Wanna kiss and everything around it, but he's too distant. I wanna feel his body, I can't resist it. I know my hidden look can be deceiving, but how obvious should a girl be? I was thinking about the early conversation piece, and I really like the way that he respects me. I've been waiting patiently for him to come and get it. I wonder if he knows that he can stay and hang out with it. I know I have my mind made up from January to catching up for you. You make a feeling, cause if you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I I'm busy showing him what he's been missing. I'm kinda showing up for his full attention. My sexy ass has got him in a new dimension. I'm ready to show love to complete his mission. After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, cause you in reality if I wanted to get with it. I knew I had my mind made up from the very beginning. I missed this opportunity for you and me to feel it. If you're ready to go in for you better push the button and let me know before I get so you're gonna miss everything that I control. If you're ready for me, boy, you better push the button and let me know before I get the wrong answer. You're gonna miss everything that I control. I've been trying to summon him. He's still not getting in. Now that you know, he's fine. After waiting patiently for him to come and get it, he did it. Drop.